Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Continuing with our series on the luxury industry, today we are going to focus on the trends in the luxury industry, and within those trends we are going to focus specifically on the evolution of the second-hand luxury market. Now, as you can see that there are changing winds within the luxury market, and these are with respect to the consumers and also with respect to the market. Now, there is a focus on millennials and Gen Z because they have started to comprise approximately 70% of the consumers of the luxury industry. And we have seen that they focus on online sales and social media. Their preferred channel is online, and social media is becoming much more influential with regard to the purchases, giving consumers easier access to their personalized premium services. Also, we have seen that millennials and Gen Z are much more sensitive to circularity, and they are the deal seeker generation. They factor in sustainability into their purchasing decisions, and they also pay much more increasing attention to resale value, treating the luxury goods more as investments rather than just products or services. We have also seen that millennials and Gen Z would rather have a relationship be more like a service than the traditional ownership. They look for experience. And that is what we have seen the luxury industry also investing into. They are investing into much more personalized experiences, whether it is online or whether it is offline. Now, within the 12 key trends that the luxury industry is seeing, today we are going to focus on the second-hand trend. In one of our previous videos, we had discussed with you that the second-hand luxury market now comprises of 38 billion in terms of market value, and it is growing at 65% compared to just 12% of the first-hand luxury industry. With respect to the consumers, we have seen that 70% of the luxury consumers say that they would like to purchase second-hand luxury products directly from the luxury brands. 74% of them say that they would like the brands to certify the second-hand products, and 45% of the luxury consumers participate in the second-hand market, whether it is just selling or buying or both. With these stats, let's understand what the second-hand luxury market comprises of today. Who are the main players? We see that there are three main players, that is Real Real, Vistar Collective, and Fashion File. And also shared here are their annual turnover numbers. And there are also a lot of regional players or smaller players all around the world, and you can see that we have mentioned all of them here. Keeping this in view, let's see and understand what the landscape is like, how the main luxury brands, the luxury groups are responding to this challenge. What we are seeing is that Kering is active within this field. It has acquired a strategic interest in Vistar Collective, and it collaborates actively with Real Real. A lot of its brands collaborate with Real Real. With respect to Richemont, it acquired a second-hand platform, which is Watchfinder. When we talk about Hermes and LVMH, they don't have any moves announced, but they are pretty much neutral in this segment. But Chanel is one that has come out against it, and it actually has lawsuits against Real Real. Given this, given this background, we would like to share with you what we feel the next journey within major groups and a lot of independent brands should be with respect to the second-hand luxury segment. We feel that they should either collaborate with existing platforms, or they should acquire a leading platform, or they should build a platform and create it in-house. One of the preferred methods of many consulting companies, and which is something that we would also recommend, is acquisition. That is because luxury brands and retailers would not need to design something from a scratch. If they acquire something, they get the technical know-how, and they also add to their customer base. This would help them meet all types of goals, whether it is image and purpose goals of protection of brand equity or sustainability image, or strategic goals like new curated offers or customer recruitment, or profitability goals like new sales channel or centralization of the second-hand services. Now, when we are talking about luxury brands going through the acquisition route, we can see that this gives them luxury aesthetic, this gives them authentication, and this also gives them a system that they can build upon. So from our perspective, their journey to 2030 should involve an acquisition of a secondhand luxury channel, or maybe actively collaborating with the existing channels. And this would help give them a marketing and consumer understanding tool. This would help them recruit consumers and advocates through a new channel, help them monitor and mitigate brand reputation risks, as well as give them a new profitable source for business. So, this is an overview of the second-hand luxury segment as it is evolving, and we'll keep you apprised of how this segment is evolving and what the major players are doing within this field. Thank you.